Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today, I'm playing with this Majorette Fiat 127. It's a classic from the 70s, and it brings me back a lot of memories. In fact, my dad had something similar. He had a Seat 127, but my dad's had 4 doors, and you could open the full hatchback. So, let's make a trip to the 70s and have some fun. Inside, we have the traditional Majorette suspension, but I think the wheels are a bit narrow, so I'm gonna see if I can make the axles a bit wider. The interior is alright, and it's got a doggy. The windshield is like an orangey color, but I think it's gonna go alright with my choice of color. The body is not in bad condition. It's only got a couple of casting lines, but the rest of the body is quite good. For the color, I'm going for blue. It's not because it's my favorite color, but as a kid, when we were going on holidays, my brother and me used to count them. It wasn't a common color on the road, so for us, it was something different and exciting to do on our way to the seaside. and it's time to putting it back together now. And the first thing that I'm gonna do obviously is put the windshield, and as you can see, even though it's yellow or orange, it doesn't look too bad with this color, so I'm quite happy with that. I put some detail as well on the dog. I wanted to do a German Shepherd. It looks more like a collie. So there you go. I'm very happy with this one. It never gave me any problems. In fact, it took me to a time when the things were easier and we were just happy counting cars because they were coming on a different color. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.